Okay, so next, iterators, iterator documentation. There are many additional built-in array methods. A complete list of which of the MDN's array iteration methods page. The documentation for each method contains several sections, a short definition, a block with the correct syntax for using the method, a list of parameters the methods accept or requires, the return value of the function, an extended description, examples of the methods used, other additional information. In the instructions below, there are some errors in the code. Use the documentation for a given method to determine the error or fill in the blank to make the code run correctly. Instructions. Number 1, in the code editor, there is an array called words. We want to create a new array of interesting words. The first thing we want to do is check if there are words that are fewer than 6 characters long. There is something missing in the words.sum method call. Fix this method so that true is printed to the console. Word in the parentheses. Okay, so now it's true. Right, so number 2. The .sum method return true, which means there are some words in the array that are shorter than 6 characters. Use the .filter method to save any words longer than 5 characters to a new variable called interesting words declared with const. So we're going to use the words, right? Yeah. So it's going to be words.filter word. So the length is 6. So we're going to return the word dot length. Method to save any words longer than 5 characters, so greater than 5. Declared with const. We've used .filter in previous exercises. Yep. Okay, so words.word. This is assignment. That's the same. I'd be close to it. Okay, so if we run that, it's correct. In the last line of main.js, there is this code, console.log, interesting words. Oh, I see it. Complete the code between the parentheses to check if every element has more than 5 characters. Make sure the uncomment delete before the last line of the code before you run the code. Uncomment, okay. Okay, so log interesting words, but every word. Has more than 5 characters. Okay, so return word or length. Okay, it's true, so that's correct. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.